Hi, this is Kavinaya. We are from Yugamugi Silk House. This is a beautiful pen kalamkari collection. Today we are going to see our range of pen kalamkari collection. Pen kalamkari is a very beautiful artwork which is done in the southern part of India, mainly in Sri Kalahasti. We have a factory in Kalahasti and around 20 workers who is very beautiful experts who can pen and paint beautiful pen kalamkari sarees. The starting range of pen kalamkari which is available in our collection is in Tassa, pure Tassa by Tassa pen kalamkari, and the Tassa have the zari border also. Beautiful works. This is the pallu of the saree with very elegant, the contemporary traditional peacocks in the pallu. Peacocks is the most used and most famous design in the pen kalamkari, and that is given in this particular saree with the blouse piece in very contrast red, a mild floral design in the blouse piece. The saree here is in beautiful design. The top portion is completely black color with the floral design, and we have the lower part with the pond concept. The fishes are done very elegantly. Mostly floral, peacocks, fishes, and the sculpture work is the main elegance of the pen kalamkari, and everything is completely hand written and hand painted here. The process takes almost 30 to 35 days to be completed. Step by step it goes a long tedious process. Initially the raw saree is just dipped in the water, and then next it takes almost 4 to 5 washes. After that the cow milk, the buffalo milk is used here for dipping the complete saree, raw saree. After that it takes again several washes, and then the pen kalamkari penning work is started. The penning work is also done using the natural material here. The price of the Tassa pen kalamkari is 11,600. And next comes a soft silk pen kalamkari. Next range of collection is this, and here also the without border, a plain soft silk is used for painting here. Our complete pen kalamkari section comes with only natural color paints. We use only vegetable extracts for painting, and here we have a beautiful peacock again in the blue base. Really fantastic work. You can see the artwork of the painters, and we have a plain blouse piece with the borders alone painted here. This is the lowest range in Kanji silk for the pen kalamkari. This range starts from 14,500, and it comes with a without jari border. It's a plain collection with all over penning and painting work. This is a maroon based saree with floral work all over. Very beautifully done. And then the colors used are really natural here. We don't have any synthetic colors or any printing work is done in this original and genuine pen kalamkari alone we have. If market people are giving in lesser price, definitely it cannot be a pen kalamkari. Pen kalamkari ranges will be starting from 10,000 only. Maybe the fabric should be either mixed one or the nature of work should be mixed, otherwise it cannot be given. So please understand, don't buy the duplicate versions of pen kalamkari, go for the original ones. And here we have another version. This version starts from 15,850. It's a turning border design, and in this border, the border zari border is given. It's almost a 10-inch big border. On it the pen kalamkari work is done. You can see the peacocks in the lower border. It will be little glittery when it is draped, and we have an orange body here with floral part, and the pallu is also a contrast one in this particular collection. It is completely in blue with full zari weaving, handloom weaving it is. The pallu tassels you can see, and the same way the pallu color blouse piece is given. Contrast, completely contrast collection. And this is the next range. The starting range is plain soft silk, and this is with turning border. And next comes a jacquard weaving border collection. This is a rich collection of pen kalamkari, Kanji silk. Again in this collection we have a very beautiful pallu which is having golden zari weaving all over. Very beautiful pallu. Pallu also have the border and the blouse piece as well, which can be used for the sleeves. The sleeves will have a beautiful painting work also. And the body of the saree here is painted in blue, indigo blue shade. You can see the natural colors should have the inequality in the shades while painting. You can see it visibly in this saree. Dark colors will definitely have this kind of inequality. If it is evenly painted, then it cannot be a natural color. Please understand. And here we have a beautiful border which adds beauty to the saree, and the range of the saree is 20,950. And next comes the premium collection of Pen Kalamkari from us, and this is a big border Kanji collection, Kanji silk. And here the blouse piece is plain with the big borders which can be used for the sleeves. A few sarees it is painted, few sarees it is given plain. Since in this saree it is given plain because the saree fully having work. And we have the pallu that is very beautifully weaved using golden zari. The complete body, the body of the saree itself is in yellow here, yellow with turquoise blue borders. And here we have the village concept. This is the premium most concept of the Pen Kalamkari. You can see each inch by inch it is drawn, penned and painted. The complete village concept is described in this particular saree. You can see the cattle, the work, the occupation of the people, and also the textiles of them, the clothing, their living, everything is described particularly in this saree. Very beautiful collection. It takes a lot of effort for the painter to complete a saree, and also the colors used also, it takes a lot of time to extract and use. And it also need a proper drying condition to get the saree completed. The weather condition also should support to complete it. Really a tedious process, and it is a beautiful process. And the saree range is 29,500, and all our sarees comes in a wholesale price only. You can compare the price with the textile shops wherever if you go. And all the work here are pure and genuine. The silk used is also completely handloom made, and it is pure. You can test anywhere in the Silk Mark. We are a Silk Mark certified manufacturer. And always support handlooms, always support hand painters. Hand process is always a beautiful process. Please do support it. Thank you.